AI, friend or foe? The future unveiled. Hey everyone, Nikat here, and let's talk about something that's changing the world faster than we can say algorithm: artificial intelligence. We're talking machines learning at warp speed, potentially outthinking us in ways we haven't even imagined. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of AI, exploring its potential benefits and risks. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get really interesting. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In the simplest terms, it's the ability of a computer or a machine to mimic human intelligence. Things like learning, problem-solving, and even decision-making. You see it every day. It's what allows your phone to recognize your face or helps your car navigate traffic. But beneath the surface, AI is incredibly complex. It's built on algorithms, which are basically sets of rules that computers follow to process information and make decisions. Think of it like a recipe. You input data, follow the steps, and voila, you get an output. Now, there are different types of AI. We have what we call narrow AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks like playing chess or filtering spam emails. This is the type of AI we mostly interact with today. Then there's the big kahuna, strong AI, or artificial general intelligence. This is the kind of AI that can understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human can, and potentially even surpass us. It's the stuff of science fiction for now, at least, but it's a field that's rapidly developing. Imagine a machine that can not only diagnose diseases with perfect accuracy, but also compose symphonies that rival Beethoven. At the heart of most AI systems are artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks process and transmit information, allowing AI to learn from vast amounts of data. This learning process is what enables AI to improve over time, becoming more accurate and efficient in its tasks. The more data it processes, the smarter it gets. AI is already transforming industries from healthcare to finance, making processes faster and more efficient. The potential applications are virtually limitless, and as technology advances, so too will the capabilities of AI. Hold on tight, because AI is about to take us on a wild ride through the future. Let's start with healthcare. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases with incredible accuracy, even before any symptoms appear. We're talking personalized treatments tailored to your unique genetic makeup and robotic surgeons performing complex procedures with superhuman precision. Next stop, transportation. Self-driving cars are already hitting the roads, promising to make our commutes safer and more efficient. AI-powered traffic management systems could optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and pollution. And how about the internet? AI is already shaping our online experiences, from personalized recommendations to targeted advertising. But in the future, AI could power even more sophisticated virtual assistants and help us combat online harassment and misinformation. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, the potential dangers of AI. This is a topic that has been generating a lot of debate and concern across various sectors. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. Many fear that AI could take over jobs, leaving countless people unemployed. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it could automate many tasks currently performed by humans, leading to widespread unemployment and economic inequality. This could create a significant divide between those who can adapt and those who cannot. Then there's the issue of deep fakes, highly realistic AI-generated videos and audio that can be used to spread misinformation, manipulate public opinion, and even damage reputations. The implications of this technology are far-reaching and concerning. Imagine a world where you can't trust what you see or hear online because anyone can create a convincing deepfake with a few clicks. This could undermine the very fabric of our society, and let's not forget about the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. Hackers and cybercriminals could leverage AI to create more sophisticated attacks. We're talking about autonomous weapons systems that can select and engage targets without human intervention, as well as AI-powered cyber attacks that could cripple critical infrastructure. The stakes are incredibly high. It's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or evil. The potential for positive impact is enormous if used responsibly. The future of AI depends on the choices we make today. Ethical considerations and responsible development are crucial to ensuring that AI benefits humanity as a whole. Now, before we all run for the hills and start stockpiling canned goods, let's remember that AI also has the potential to be our greatest ally. It's not just a tool for automation or data analysis, it could be a transformative force for good. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve some of humanity's most pressing problems, like climate change, poverty, and disease. These are challenges that have plagued us for centuries, but with AI we could find innovative solutions that were previously unimaginable. Picture AI-powered systems optimizing energy grids, developing renewable energy sources, and cleaning up our oceans. These advancements could lead to a more sustainable and cleaner planet for future generations. Imagine AI assisting in the development of new drugs and therapies, eradicating diseases and extending human lifespans. This could revolutionize healthcare and improve the quality of life for millions of people around the world. AI could even help us break down language barriers, connect people across cultures, and foster global understanding. This would create a more interconnected and harmonious world. But it's not just about solving problems. AI has the potential to enhance our daily lives in ways we haven't even thought of yet. AI could also unlock new frontiers of human creativity and innovation. It could be a partner in the creative process, helping us to push the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine collaborating with AI to compose music, write novels, or design breathtaking works of art. The fusion of human imagination and AI capabilities could lead to unprecedented artistic achievements. The key is to approach AI development with a sense of responsibility, collaboration, and a commitment to using this powerful technology for the betterment of humanity. We must be mindful of the ethical implications and strive to ensure that AI benefits everyone. We need to ensure that AI is aligned with our values, respects our ethical principles, and serves the common good. Only then can we truly harness its potential to create a better future for all. So, is AI the key to a brighter future or a Pandora's box that we're foolishly opening? The truth is, it's probably a bit of both. AI has the potential to revolutionize our world in countless ways, both positive and negative. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's a future that we're writing every day through the choices we make, the research we fund, and the conversations we have. Do you think AI is a force for good or a potential threat? What steps do you think we should take to ensure a safe and beneficial AI future? Let's start a conversation, because the future of AI is a conversation that belongs to all of us.